If your concrete floors are dusty, greasy, or covered in buildup, it's not just about appearance. Dirty floors shorten the life of your coatings, create safety risks, and make your facility look unprofessional. I'm Tom, president of Customcrete Industrial Surfaces. In this video, I'll explain why professional floor cleaning matters, who it's for, and how it helps protect your investment. Floor cleaning is more than just mopping or sweeping. It's the process of removing dust, grease, and debris with industrial equipment designed to clean without damaging your concrete or coatings. When cleaning is skipped, residue builds up, coatings break down, and slip hazards increase. We've seen facilities lose years off their floor's lifespan simply because cleaning was overlooked. That's why a professional cleaning program is one of the easiest ways to protect your floor and avoid costly repairs. Our team uses specialized tools and methods tailored to your flooring system. That means we can safely clean high traffic areas, production zones, loading docks, restrooms, and even sensitive prep areas. The result is a safer workplace, a longer lasting floor, and a facility that looks ready for business every day. So who benefits the most? Food and beverage plants use floor cleaning to meet strict sanitation standards. Pharmaceutical and healthcare facilities rely on it to maintain sterile, compliant environments. Veterinary clinics and animal care centers use it to eliminate odors and stains. Manufacturing, automotive, and cannabis operations need it to remove dust, oils, and debris from heavy traffic. No matter your industry, floor cleaning keeps your operations safe, compliant, and efficient. One question we hear a lot is, how often should you schedule professional cleaning? The answer depends on your facility. High-use areas may need weekly or monthly service, while lower traffic spaces may only need it quarterly. Another question is, will cleaning damage your coatings? The answer is no. Our methods are designed to protect and extend the life of your floor, not harm it. And yes, even if your floors haven't been cleaned professionally before, we can remove years of buildup and restore them to a safe, clean condition. The bottom line is floor cleaning is one of the simplest, most cost-effective ways to protect your flooring investment. It boosts safety, enhances your facility's professional appearance, and extends the life of your floors and coatings. If you're ready to protect your investment and avoid costly repairs, reach out today for a quote. At Customcrete, we'll keep your floors clean, your facility compliant, and your business running strong.